Welcome back. Churchill says he will scrap MOPA and get relief to the mining dependents in the state. Addressing a public meeting in Fatorda on Saturday, Trinamool Congress candidate Churchill Alema promised to fulfill his promises if he wins the Lok Sabha polls. He also slammed Manohar Parrikar and John Fernandes.
BJP party पडे म्हणटा ती एक विकाची पार्टी जेन्ना लोक म्हाका निवडून दितलो म्हजो पयलो अजेंडा मोपा स्क्रॅप मोपा भायर मारपाचो ह्या दिसाक इलेक्शन जातले सेंट्रलाक बीजेपी ना म्हण काँग्रेस येना म्हजी पार्टी थर्ड फ्रंट जातले थर्ड फ्रंट तुका आपण 1000 करोड न्हय 2000 करोड दिवन ही 6 लाख लोकांची पयल्या स्वादी सुस्कार सोडपाक ही होगत ताकद चर्चिल आलेमाका चर्चिल आलेमाका.
Meanwhile, independent candidate from South, Shalom Sardinia says he had received many offers but refused it. He also said that his father, Francisco Sardinia, will always support him politically and morally.
Congress party didn't approach you to withdraw?
They approached. But as I told you, sir, I am fighting a battle of truth and justice. If I was fighting a battle of my personal gain, there were a lot of offers with a lot of personal gain. Some offered money, some offered position, some offer other things. But then some even offered me a case that if there is a bipole, they will give me the seat. No, my father will always support me. No, political and moral support.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
State-run protective home Apna Ghar has come under scanner for alleged irregularities in contractual recruitment of the staff. Former staff have alleged that the latest contracts have been awarded on the basis of forged documents. It has also been alleged that there is chaotic situation in Apna Ghar as new staff is not performing the duties properly.
Staffs at Mirses base Apna Ghar are being recruited on contract basis. Two former employees of Apna Ghar have alleged that the new employees have bagged contracts on the basis of forged documents.
7 जण केअरटेकर घातल्यात हांवें आरटीआय अंडर मागले की त्यांचे डिटेल दिवचे म्हणून आनी म्हाका आतां कोणें बोगस केला तें म्हाका कळना की पब्लीक इन्फॉर्मेशन कोण दिता तेणें बोगस दिलां काय ते भुरग्यांनी सर्टिफिकेट बोगस लायल्या तेवूय आमकां कळना पूण ते बोगस म्हणून हांव प्रूव करूं शकता कारण जे आमी पळय डिटेल दिल्ले पळय न्ही तेणी दिलो पळय न्ही आमकां तितून हांवें मागिल्लें की सगळ्यांचे फूल फर्निश करचें म्हणून वीथ एप्लिकेशन सगळें एवरीथींग जाल्यार तितून एक एक्स सर्विसमॅनाक एक पोस्ट आशिल्लो भगत म्हणून कोण तरी सिलेक्ट जालो तितून ते गेले एक एप्लिकेशन सुद्दां ना तितून हो आमच्या कारभार तेजी इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय हीच इन्क्वायरी जाता तेजें एप्लिकेशन सुद्दां ना.
Siddharth Vas says Levinson Martin's committee in its report on Apna Ghar had pointed out many irregularities and had also made some suggestions. But so far, no action has been taken by the government. Vas also alleged that the caretaker and other staff is harassing the inmates.
फक्त स्टाफाचे हरासमेंट चलता लोअर स्टाफ आहा पळय न्ही लायक अ केअरटेकर हेंचे हरासमेंट चलता तुमी रिकॉर्ड काडून पळोवपाक शकता 2012 आमी जॉयन जाले नोव्हेंबर 2012 टील नोव्हेंबर 2013 सुद्दां पूण ते हितून पिरियडान केन्नाच खंयची तोडफोड जाली ना कांयच जालें ना पूण आमी जेन्ना आमचो सोंपतकीर डिसेंबरासून स्टार्ट जाले तोडफोड कारण हेणे आमचो हें करूं ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट रिन्यू करूं ना कारण तांकां तेंच जाय आशिल्लें तोडफोड जावं जाय आशिल्लें आनी तेजे वयल्यान खावपाकूय मेळटा ते इजिली सांगूंक शकता कित्याक थंय एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर काम करता फॉर 3 and 4 years कंटिन्युअसली आमी बिल्डिंगाक पूल सुद्दां बांदूंक शकता इल्ले ते फक्त कितें करता भुरग्यांक कोणें एक सणात फोडलो तो बांदलो तेजें बील खाया अशें करून फक्त खाण चलता थंय.
Both the former staff Siddharth and Nilesh Pawar says if the government does not investigate and take action soon, they will knock the doors of the High Court. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
The father of a victim girl from Akshi who committed suicide by jumping into river from Kurka Bridge is fighting to unearth the truth which forced his daughter to take this extreme step. 6 months past her death, Akshi police have till date left the case inconclusive and uncracked. Victim's father alleges that his daughter's suicide was an abatement by a local suspect. However, police are not ready to consider and act on the clues.
A 15-year-old girl had committed suicide on 23rd September early morning at around 5:30 by jumping into river from Kurka Bridge. Initially, family members of the victim girl had no idea why she ended her life.
माझे चेडवान आमी सकाळी उठच्या आदी ते भायर सरून घरांतले गेले आनी आमकां खबर ना कोणे फोन मारलो तेका 4 सुमारान कितें ते आमकां ती खबर ना आनी चेडू घरांतले भायर सरून वचोन पुलार उडी मारली काय कोणे मारून उडयले ते आमकां खबर ना.
Father of the victim says later he came to know that one married person was flirting with his daughter and he is the abator.
कामार खंय सायडीर आहा तो टेंपरवाली कामाक आहा थंय सून फोन मेवलो बायलेक अरे आमच्या चेडवा कडेन फोन कित्याक मारता तूं आनी ताका येताना आमगेर विचारलो आमी तेन्ना म्हणलो चुकोन लागलो कहो आनीक एक दीस तो म्हणलो चुकोन लागलो मागीर 2 फावट ताका विचारलें ह्या चेडवा कडल्यान बरें तूं म्हाज्या चेडवा कडले सीम कार्ड ते तशें फास्टफेट काय फेसफेट ते म्हाका म्हणपाक येना ते तशें कित्याक केलें तुवें कित्याक कारण कहलें करपाक आवय बापूय आसतना तूं कोण करपाक.
Victim's father is unhappy with the response of Akshi police, as even after 6 months of the incident, police is saying that they are still investigating the case. But police is not considering his inputs.
Police officer म्हणटा तुजे कडेन कितें आहा प्रूफ आनी आमचे कडेन प्रूफ कितें आमी प्रूफ म्हाजें सीम कार्ड तेणी नांवार केलें कशें आनी कित्याक लागून केलें आनी चेडवाक खंय फसोवन म्हाज्या कित्याक तुज्या नांवार हाडलें म्हणून हांव पुलिशे कडेन विचारला. पुलिस म्हणटा आमी कारवाई चालू आसा म्हणटा.
When we questioned SDPO of Panji DYSP Serafin Dice about this case, he claimed that the victim girl used to talk to the wife of the suspect and police has no evidence to prove that suspect was flirting with the girl. But victim's father says that wife of the suspect has given this statement to save her husband.
मागीर हो आपल्याचेर आतां येता म्हणून म्हाज्या चेडवाचें म्हणून वयणी आतां बायलेक शिकयला आनी आपल्या कडेन उलयता म्हणून सांगला पुलिशेक अशें म्हणून तेणी ते हें घेतला तेजो रिपोर्ट.
Prudent tried to contact the suspect on the cell number as mentioned by the victim's father in the police complaint, but got the response as invalid number. DYSP Serafin Dice says investigation is on but has no answer as to why the police is not investigating on the input provided by the victim's father. Mukesh Kumar and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.